dry, lined, and aged. So what's to blame? One factor is collagen. Our collagen supplies decrease as we age, so maintaining healthy levels of collagen is a key factor in preventing aged skin. MD3 Advanced Skincare Ultimate Cell Repair and Collagen Boosting Serum is your fountain of youth in a bottle. Containing epidermal growth factor, a small polypeptide of 53 amino acids, this collagen plumping serum is the best choice for fighting signs of aging. EGF stimulates skin growth at the cellular level, aiding in the production of collagen. If you want youthful skin, MD3 Advanced Skincare Ultimate Cell Repair and Collagen Boosting Serum will assist by rejuvenating dormant cells, which help to repair fine lines, wrinkles, and maintain firmness and elasticity, lifting and firming skin prone to aging, just like a facelift without the painful, costly procedure, and of course, encouraging collagen production. MD3 Advanced Skincare Ultimate Cell Repair and Collagen Boosting Serum. Shop today.